alaikum. Step into a kaleidoscope of creativity and charm. Today we are exploring the magical realm of crochet baby frocks, where every thread weaves a story of love, joy, and endless imagination. These tiny treasures are more than just outfits. That wearable art, these aren't to make your little one shine. So imagine soft, breathable yarns transformed into stunning patterns, ruffles, shells, and intricate stitches that dance together in a perfect harmony. From sunny yellows to dreamy purples, each frock is a burst of color crafted to bring smiles and turn heads wherever your baby goes. So feel the texture of every loop and twist, each one carefully crafted by the mother's hand. These frocks are not just beautiful, they are designed with your baby's comfort in mind. Lightweight, cozy, and so adorable. They're perfect for play dates, photo shoots, or simply snuggling up at home. So watch as your little one becomes the star of the show, wrapped in a one-of-a-kind creations that's as unique as they are. These frocks aren't just clothing, they are keepsakes, memories in the making, and heirlooms to cherish for years to come. So whether you're a crochet lover, a parent seeking something special, or someone who adores all things handmade, these baby frocks are sure to captivate your heart. So hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more crochet magic. Let's celebrate the beauty of handmade together.